The historical city located at the banks of river Yamuna, a city which was the capital of the Mughal Empire for over 90 years. A city whose name I don't even have to take if I tell you that we are at the Taj Mahal. Welcome to Agra. The word Agra might as well be synonymous to Taj Mahal, but Taj is not the only attraction here. The legacy of the Mughal Empire has left a magnificent fort along with fascinating tombs and mausoleums. The entry procedures to all monuments are contactless with proper temperature checks and sanitization. The city is also famous for its marble inlay arts as well as the leather and footwear markets. Since tourism highly contributes to the economy of Agra, the markets are mostly empty. Let us hear more from Mr. Gaurav Singh, a friend, my senior associate and a resident of Agra.
From March onwards, the things were not in control of anybody, but the good thing is that we have turned ourselves into a much more protective way. So we are trying our level best over here that one should get the best of the services. Even at the monuments, they've taken a bit precautions. So right now, if I say if you're coming to visit Taj, you have to make sure that there will be only 5,000 people who will be allowed to visit the Taj. First. Second, the tickets are online, so you can't buy those tickets manually, right? You have to wear mask, right? And you have to go through the thermal screening, sanitization. You're not allowed to have a group photography out there. People are coming down, people are experimenting, and they are trying to be, I always believe that your first step inside the hotel, it should be a confidence that how hygiene, how good they are with the services, with their sanitizations and everything. And I think all the hotels, all the restaurants in Agra are doing extremely well. People are now getting back with the confidence that they can come down to the restaurants, to the bar, to the hotels. So I think it's positive.
With the domestic tourists coming in, all the hotels have geared up to welcome the guests. Since Agra is a major travel destination, there are some wonderful hotels in the city, one of which is the ITC Mughal. Spread across 23 acres with 233 rooms, the entire architecture of the hotel is inspired by the Mughals.
So ITC Mughal, as you all are aware, is one of the oldest hotels in the city of Agra. We opened our doors for guests in 1976. This is the only hotel in the entire country to win Aga Khan Award for its architecture. ITC as a company has come up with a We Assure program. So we as a company personally ensure that each and every team member who is in direct contact with a guest, they are all staying inside the hotel premises. So we are not even taking a risk of them traveling. For our guests, we have regular checkups for them at the entrance itself. We have sanitizers which are foot operated placed there, and the masks also are kept there. In case any of the guests is not wearing a mask, they are requested to wear one. So again, the baggage is also sanitized, and we put a tag on it that the baggage has been sanitized, and then the baggage is sent across to the room. Once the guests are inside the hotel premises, we have a totally contactless service for our guests. So there is absolutely no interaction between the guest and the front desk associate. We have these welcome separators all across the hotel, you must have seen, wherein they serve as a barrier between the employees and the guest. The room is sanitized by the housekeeping after the room is made, and then the room is sealed. So that's a We Assure seal in the room. And the seal of the room is broken by the guest. So when he's entering the room, he's assured that the room is sanitized and it is free of any kind of virus or any kind of bacteria for that matter. Every cutlery item is wrapped properly, is sealed. The glassware, the flatware, the plates and the glasses are also all wrapped and are sealed. So we opened our doors for our guests on 1st of September, and since then the hotel's been doing quite well. We've picked up better than what we were expecting. People are coming in, driving down for small celebrations. So over these 6 months, they must have had birthdays, anniversaries, which they could not celebrate. So now is the time for them to come out and celebrate. So we look forward to welcome all our guests under the new normal conditions. And we assure you, best of service and hospitality.
Since it is so accessible from Delhi, Agra is a perfect place to conduct events and conferences, and there's a lot that can be organized around here. Talking about events, we are now headed to the JP Palace. The hotel is popular amongst people who are looking forward to organize grand events, since it has about 25 acres of elegantly landscaped gardens.
You're at a 25-acre paradise here in Agra. We are a resort within a city, so for us it's very important that we portray that friendliness and openness to the product. It's complete Mughal architecture. It's built with red sandstone with multiple venues, indoor and outdoor, for big fat Indian weddings. Though I say big fat Indian weddings because this is the before Corona situation. After Corona, of course, we have the ability to have a smaller function split up into multiple venues as well. The good thing is at least we're getting positive numbers. November, the entire post 20th, when after Diwali the Saya dates pick up, we are completely sold out already. So even December is a very good sign.
The JP Palace offers you to choose from spacious executive rooms to presidential suites with private entrance and a helipad facility. A stroll in the corridors and gardens will make you realize how they keep the artistic legacy of the Mughal dynasty alive. While the contactless check-ins are here to stay, you can find the signs around to keep on reminding you to follow standard safety procedures. Any message for the people who are planning to visit the JP Palace Agra?
Yes, travel safe. Just enjoy, getting out into the open again. We have so much of beautiful greenery and landscaping around the property. Just come in here, get some fresh oxygen, get some fresh air, walk around, enjoy your stay. Travel, but be safe. Don't forget to carry your masks. If possible, wear it on whenever possible, and stay safe. Thank you.
Among businessmen and traders, Agra is famous for its marble inlay arts, textiles, leather, etc. So the next property we are visiting is known for its modernized service and is perhaps one of the best choices for a modern day business or leisure traveler. The Crystal Sarovar Premier. Apart from the trust and service of the Sarovar Premier brand, one other USP of this hotel is that you can actually see Taj Mahal from your rooms. Mr. Vivek Mahajan is the General Manager of the Crystal Sarovar Premier Agra, and let's hear about the hotel.
Before Sarovar Agra, I like to tell you about the brand called Sarovar Hotel and Resort India. We operate 85 hotels across India. Sarovar Premier is an upmarket brand. We have 85 hotels in India, and from last 5 years we in Agra with a large inventory and overlooking Taj Mahal. The USP for us, the 50% rooms, which is 98 rooms overlooking Taj Mahal we have. See, we're very, very particular about the safety and security about the guests and the staff as well. We introduced a hygiene manager post-COVID, and we have two hygiene managers called the front manager and the back manager. The back manager is responsible to educate the staff how important the hygiene, what are protocols we have to follow, which is recommended by the local and global health authorities. Same as at the front manager, which is called the hygiene manager, is also responsible. What are the norms? What are we have to follow it? Wearing mask, sanitize the lobby at every hour, every intervals, checking temperature on the gate, in everything. And me and my team are taking all precaution measures, and we are fully functional now, and we are taking all safety gears, and I think we are ready to move ahead. And I welcome everyone, come and stay with us.
So this was my day in Agra, quite positively eventful. The hotels, as you saw, are following all protocols laid by the government. Everything is planned, keeping your health and safety in mind. Now you need to do your bit. Pick a date, pack your bags, plan ahead, and hit the roads again. We've got to start somewhere.